Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step. Inspect a representative dataset and pick a clear objective. Once done, split data reproducibly and log versions so you can compare later. Make sure to define the evaluation metric, accuracy or F1, and baseline model to quantify progress. This prevents wasted effort. Why? Because an early baseline shows whether complex models add value, and because reproducible splits keep comparisons honest as you iterate. Once the baseline exists, you move into modeling and iteration. Engineer features that capture signal, then try diverse model families to reveal which inductive biases match your data. Make sure to run cross-validation and track validation curves. This shows if your model is underfitting or overfitting. Tune hyperparameters with a principled search, random or Bayesian, and keep experiments logged. You do this because systematic variation isolates what actually improves performance. And to finish, retrain the chosen model on full data and calibrate outputs so scores map to real probabilities. Export the model with metadata and tests. Once deployed, add monitoring for performance, latency, and data drift, and define rollback criteria so you can act quickly. If things go wrong, first check for data drift or label leakage. These are common culprits, and reproduce the failing case locally. This targeted troubleshooting gets you back to stable performance without needless rework.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.